Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Auri, Queen Obi, and today I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this easy, simple to do makeup look. Keep watching and enjoy. So yeah, let's get started. Bare face, don't care. So we love our faces anyways. Being natural is everything. However, I did my eyebrows on one side of my eyes off camera, and I'll be showing you guys how I did the complete look. Just keep watching. It's very easy. I went step by step, so it explains itself. You want to make sure that you apply your eyeshadow generously on your eyelid. So to proceed, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to make a little cut crease.
See baby, if you want to leave for Piccoli, no do shakara, no they carry your shoulder. As you see me so baby, now because of you I don't go. See I don't go. Want to get
Now I will proceed with my black eyeliner from Essence to draw the perfect wing. And as for the wings, I can only tell you guys, the only secret is practice, practice, practice makes perfect.
Hello. Me, I know they hear you again. You be like your network on the fade. Meanwhile.
And today I'll be using the lashes from Living Lashes. Check out the Instagram page, Living Lashes 1. I mean, what else?
Smart thing you done the vex, you done the other Uber. Veronica, cool down, cool down. See baby, if you want to leave for Piccoli.
Now we'll be moving on with our primer. I'll be using this primer from Catrice. The primer is very important so that your face will be set and ready for the application of your foundation. And your foundation will also have a perfect base. Today we'll be using the foundation stick from Black Opal. Yeah.
See, I don't go. Want to get see, baby, if you want to leave for Piccoli.
Now we're using the brush. You have to make sure you blend it in as uniform as possible.
Already know. The first time you said that you love me, that you're gonna be there for me. You should have seen my face. You should have seen my face. Forget about them. Nobody could feel love you like I do. I do. Forget about them. Nobody could feel love you like I do. I do.
We are using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the darker shade to do the contour.
Obasima so me don't share. Emma will be more than more. Me just said, me don't sit here. So me don't share. Obasima so me don't share. Emma will be more than more. Me just said, me don't sit here. Honey, you. And tear the baby can't be out. Now, I'm me do, baby. I'm me do, baby. Forget about them. Nobody could feel love you like.
We will proceed by using the brown lip liner to contour our lips. We will
forget about them. Nobody could feel love you like I do. I do. Yeah.
To achieve this bright looking eyes, we have to go with this shiny golden color underneath our eyes.
Honey, you and now I me do, baby. Me do, baby. Honey, you. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll try to fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll try. Girl, you're the baddest. No need to practice. Cause you're so different. You always winning. No girl can match this.
Now I'll be using this palette from Kaidi Bible to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and above my lips, of course. As we all know, glossy is the new matte, so we're gonna apply some lip gloss at the end to finalize this amazing look.
My love.
So guys, we are now at the end of my video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like this look. I love it. So, yeah. So don't forget to leave a thumbs up, like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. I will really appreciate. I can't wait to see you on my next video. Be ready, because the next video coming soon. Yeah. So guys, bye bye.
My lover, everything I do for you, my lover.